100 out more insane than the first day of crypto and the launch of the App Store combined. Crush a brand new category that has already made us 103,183 RAs in the first 38 days. Effortlessly create and sell the most powerful new era AI in seconds with no skills. Quantum AI brings you into a brand new world of opportunity. Payment after payment, day after day. Close your eyes. For a moment, imagine. If you could take a time machine and go back to the start of the cryptocurrency boom, or the advent of the Apple App Store. Knowing what you know now, with Quantum AI you 100x, that opportunity, what would you do? Knowing what you know now, would you buy Bitcoin? When it was $5, would you start making apps if it was easy when there was no competition? Of course you would. Quantum AI is the start of a brand new explosive era for you to crush right from the beginning. You would jump at the chance and go all in. You would make your fortune because you knew with 100% certainty that you hit the jackpot. Now open your eyes and realize that we now have this situation that only comes once in a generation. You can't miss out this time. Now is that moment. Quantum AI is a complete and utter paradigm shift. We are going to bring you into a world where money is literally thrown at you for seconds of work. If just a year ago you told us that this would be possible, we would have told you that you had lost your mind. Now it is a reality, where traffic and money flow to you like nothing you have ever seen. Following the quantum AI process turns you into a different species. That's right. After going through quantum AI, you will feel superhuman. You are no longer the same person. What we are about to break down to you and give you is beyond words. Quantum AI makes you money hand over fist. It gives all of its users freedom. Right now, as we are writing this copy, we are having the most fun and hardship we have ever had at the same time. Click link in description to know more about Quantum AI.